It's a frigid but clearing night throughout the UP. The snow begins to finally say goodbye, and that's going to set up for a decent Wednesday here for the UP, that is for sure. So break out those sunglasses. Temperatures are going to feeling just right. We'll actually be in those upper 20s, so maybe just a couple degrees above the norm. But Thursday could be a little bit tricky. We're just going to call it about a 20% chance of a little bit of that freezing rain or even some snow as a low pressure tries to sneak into our area here, but it's going to keep those chances very low because of the fact that there's already high pressure beginning to take over throughout the Midwest, and that's really going to drain a lot of that moisture because we're actually going to be dealing with some dry weather here as we head towards Saturday. So for yesterday, though, when it comes to the amount of snow that we received, 9.3 inches in Ishpeming, Marquette at 5.7, Escanaba at 5, and Ironwood at 4.3. But most of that snow, as you can see, based on the locations, was heavily concentrated over the central UP, and that's actually where we have some winter weather advisories that are getting ready to expire over the next hour into Marquette and Alger County. And that lake effect snow really showing with that northerly wind coming in today. That's really where that snow has been concentrated here over our area. But everyone else, though, just enjoying dry conditions over towards the west and towards Ironwood, or even towards the east, heading towards St. Ignace. But over here, over Marquette, that's really been the bullseye, the focal point of that snow today. The actual low pressure in that cold front that brought us the heavier amounts of snow yesterday is now into parts of eastern Kentucky, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and this system actually extends into parts of the deep south, into Alabama, Mississippi, and even going to impact parts of Florida as we head into tonight and Wednesday morning, where there's actually winter weather advisories involved for parts of the Sunshine State. So this winter storm, though, was really brought in a bit of a knockout punch once again, especially for the southern half of the country. Now that high pressure, like I mentioned previously, that's what's going to drain that moisture that's going to set up for a little bit of that freezing rain or snow showers on Thursday. But those warming temperatures, that's what's really going to be the main key as we head towards the second half of the work week. Those winds are going to shift out of the southwest, and we'll start seeing that evidence by tomorrow. But for tomorrow, though, we'll keep it partly sunny, so break out those sunglasses. And then we'll have a decent day tomorrow, but Thursday could be a little bit dicey. But we're going to keep those chances around 30%. More than anything, if you're not receiving any freezing rain or snow, it'll probably be cloudy. We'll have some of that cloudiness still trying to hang on into Friday as we deal with a little bit of that leftover from that low pressure. Then Saturday will be a dry day, but then it gets a bit messy as we head towards Sunday and Monday as temperatures begin to fall below freezing and we see the return of some snow. So 6 degrees for tonight, though. Snow chance early on in the evening, winds out of the southwest at 10 miles per hour. That southwesterly wind, that's really what's going to pump in those temperatures. And we're going to see another round of this January thaw taking over as early as Thursday. So for tomorrow, though, temperatures in those middle to upper 20s, 28 degrees in Iron Mountain, 25 in Escanaba, 29 in Ontonagon. I wouldn't be surprised, though, depending how much sunshine we get, we could actually see a couple 30s here as early as Wednesday and even Thursday. So look at that, 32 degrees, 36 on Friday, inching closer to even 40. We can make a run so on Saturday, but then the snow arrives by Sunday.